In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Adobe Sign. Groups are a powerful way to organize users into subsets with their own settings, including shared library documents, branding, and default CC rules. This feature is available on Business and Enterprise Adobe Acrobat Sign accounts, and it helps keep teams aligned while maintaining consistent controls across your organization. First, make sure you're signed in as an account administrator. Only admins can create and manage groups. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, it could mean your access level isn't high enough or your plan doesn't include groups. In that case, check with your account owner or your subscription details before moving on. Once you're signed in to Adobe Acrobat Sign, head to your profile icon and open the admin console. In the Users area, select Manage. This brings you to the place where you control users and groups. On the left-hand sidebar, choose User Groups. This is your home base for creating new groups and reviewing the ones that already exist. If you've never set up a group before, the page may look a little sparse. That's expected. To create a new group, look for the plus icon or a button labeled New User Group in the upper right corner. Click that to start. In the Group Name field, enter a clear, descriptive name, something like Sales Team or HR Onboarding. Consistent naming makes it easier to apply settings and find the right group later. When you're ready, click Save. Your new group will appear in the list right away, confirming that it's been created successfully. Next, let's add users to the group. Select the group you just created and open Group Settings. From there, choose Users in Group or a similarly named option, depending on your interface. Click Add Users and enter the email addresses of the people you want to include. Double-check spelling to avoid bounced invitations or misrouted access. When you're done, save your changes. Those users will now be part of the group and will inherit the group's settings, like shared templates and brand assets. As a tip, you can also assign a user to a group when you create their account in the Users section, which is handy when onboarding new team members. That's it. Sign in as an admin, navigate to user groups, create a new group with a clear name, and add your users. With groups in place, managing permissions and shared resources becomes much simpler, and your teams will stay organized and consistent across Adobe Sign.